What's up, YouTube? So this is going to be a super quick update on the fence and the concrete gate that I did to see how it held up. We had rain a day ago, and then the last 24 hours has been not as severe wind, but like 15, 20 mile an hour up to, I would say, 20 and 30 mile an hour gusts. So this is the concrete gate that I did with the OZ post, and a little on that side of the bubble, but pretty good compared to full lean over last time. So that's just kind of what my experiment, how my experiment handled, I guess you could say. But this is just going to be an update for anybody who did this or has this this system.